even did a 360 in the air. You gonna try it?
That's a good one. Not good.
It's in the lava.
Oh no. Yeah, it's kind of cold out here. All right, here goes Dada. Ooh, wow.
That was good too, buddy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right, Dada, we're ready to go long distance. Maybe you can fly it down the yard.
Where do you want it? Oh,
Not good.
what happened?
I thought that one was going to the moon.
All right, hold on. I'm going to go way out here. Hold on. I'm going to go way out here, and then you fly it to me.
It likes Dada.
Try one more time.
Oh, that was good. Yeah, right to me. Good job. Yay! Get it, Zane, get it! Whoa!
Oh, take that. You're a dog poo poo.
What happened? All right, somebody come fly this plane. Oh, are y'all okay? What happened? Oh my goodness. For real? Oh, that's not good. All right. Throw it, little guy. Hey, throw it down the yard. This would be good. Josh, sis, throw it down the yard. You're gonna have to go this way. Fly it my way. Oh, that's hilarious.
Hey,
Oh.
the wind is blowing now.
Y'all be careful.
Let me see it, Justin. The wind's blowing.
Y'all done? I got it. I got it.
Here it goes.